Yeah, hello guys. I'm Teacher from Ruby. I want to present you my presentation today. And has anybody has any idea about this image? Yeah, it was in Delhi Sandsad Bhavan, which is a parliament of our country. And what came to your mind when you saw this image? To KGF 10. Yeah, okay. As we are all above 18, we need to vote and elect our representative and who will spoke on behalf of us in the parliament. And in this parliament, our elected representative will speak. And after this, I want to make sure that my concept is I-voting. That is, we are voting now. As of now, we are voting through electronic means by electronic voting machine, and in 2 decades, it will emerge into I-voting. That is, can anybody expand the term I-voting?
Internet voting.
Yeah, internet voting, exactly. We will move towards the internet voting in coming 2 decades, within coming 2 decades. And in the internet voting,